I'm Narayanpur. Today I'll be taking up the MySQL topic and show how the database is created and how tables are created. So I'll just show you here. So first command is to create the database. So we will have like create database, and then you need to give database name. This is the syntax for creating a database. So example, if I wish to create a database called student, then I can give student. So this will create a database. Now after creation of a databases, if I have to create a table inside. So to create a table inside, I need to first go to the database. So for that I have a command called use database and database name. This is the syntax, and then I have to use student. So like this I can give the command, and then once I am inside the database I can create the table. To create the table we have a command called as create table, and we can give the table name, and we need to specify the different fields, field 1, field 2, like that, different fields, and value data types. Like this I should give the command, and to create a database under to create a table under database student, I will create like this: create table std, fields I will give roll number. Since roll number is an integer, so I'll take as int, and name can be varchar is variable char. So here I need to specify the type, how much it occupies, and then class varchar or int, also you can take whichever way you want to specify, and then section, this is fixed one variable, so I can take as a char. So wherever I know that fixed values are there, I can take a variable data type as char, otherwise I can take varchar. So this will create a table for me under the database called student. Once I have done that, to see the schema, like how whether it is which all fields are there, I can give the command called as describe. So that will show me the table format of the overall skeleton of the table. Now in order to insert the record into the table, so I have to give the table name, and field set is optional. If you want to give, you can give the field set also, data fields, and then that is optional. Otherwise you can directly give values as the, so whatever field values are there, value 1, value 2, like that, you can give the values. So this field, suppose if you are inserting only 1 or 2 fields among 4 5, then you can use fields. Otherwise you can just give, if you are using continuously in the order, then you can use values clause only. So one example I'll give here. Example, insert into table, we have already created std, and then fields we will not specify, we'll just take values. And what is the first one? Roll number. Roll number is int, so I need not enclose in the single bracket. So the second field is varchar, so it's a character, so I need to enclose within the single quote. Even for the class also same thing, I need to give, and then for the section also I need to give like that. If it's a int or decimal values, you need not be enclosing within the single quotation, otherwise you need to give in the single quotation. So this will add one row to the table. Suppose if you want multiple rows to be added, every time you give the statement and you change the values. Suppose I want to insert only 2 fields, like I want to insert only roll number and name. In that case, you can give like fields also, roll number, comma, name. I want to give these things, and I want to give the values. So like I'll take second one, like this I can use the values. So if you wish to have the all the columns we have want to enter means you can have the direct values clause, and it should be in the order, same order it should match. And also if you wish only few columns to be added, then you can specify the fields and then you can give the values. So like this you can create the database and you can create the table, and also you can insert the data. Thank you.